Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Please introduce yourself.
Thank you for this interview. My name is Kalvadir Vishwakarma. I am 32 years old. I am from Dharan and Nepal. My height is 5.5 and weight 70 kg.
Are you married?
Yes.
Do you have children?
Yes.
Okay, how old are your kids?
He is 4 years old.
Do you drink?
No.
Smoke?
No.
Okay, how many classes did you graduate?
SLC pass.
Do you have a qualification certificate?
Yes, sir.
What is your working experience?
I have work experience as a factory worker.
Okay, what are your duties at your previous workplace as a factory worker?
My duties are machine operator, quality check, scanning, packaging, loading, unloading, forklift operator, etc.
Do you have any work experience outside of your country?
Yes, sir. I have 5 years work experience as a factory worker at JCY Electronic Company in Malaysia.
Okay, why do you want to come to Romania?
Because Romania is a beautiful country, I want earn money and to support my family.
Do you have any friends or relatives in Romania?
No, sir.
What kind of job do you want to do in Romania?
Any job like factory worker or warehouse worker.
Okay, how many hours a day did you work at your last job?
I did there 12 hours per day and 6 days per week.
Are you agree to stay overtime?
Yes, sir.
Are you medically fit?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any chronic disease or surgeries?
No, sir.
Okay, for how many years would you like to stay in Romania if you are selected?
Minimum 5 to 7 years stay in Romania.
Okay, good luck.
Thank you, sir. My name is Kalvadir Vishwakarma.
अनि त्यही नै त हो नि होइन सबैभन्दा ठुलो भविष्य भनेको family होइन दिनले पनि गाह्रो छैन भाइ सुक्खा रोलर चलाउनुपर्छ हो पेन चलाउनु
Are you feeling good?
Yes.
Do you have any problem?
No, sir.
Okay, good luck.
Thank you.